Hello everyone. In this module, we are going to learn about 3D shapes, that are three-dimensional shapes or solid shapes. So let's start. Now let us learn first what are 2D shapes or two-dimensional shapes. 2D shapes can be drawn on a flat surface and have only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. So they are called as 2D shapes. Some example of 2D shapes are circle, rectangle, square and triangle. What are solid shapes? A solid shape has three dimensions, that means length, breadth or height, or we can say length, width or height. 3D shapes we can hold in our hands. It is hollow or a solid. Examples of solid shapes are as follows, which we are going to learn in this chapter. Let us start. Before beginning, we will learn some key terms, that is faces, edges and vertices. What is a face? A flat surface of a solid shape is called face. Edges. Edge is a place where two faces in a solid meet together and we get a line segment there, or we can say edge. Vertex. Vertex can be more probably termed as corner. Yes, when three or more faces meet at one point, that point is called a vertex or a corner. Vertex in singular form, vertices in plural form. Let us see in the figure here. Yes, the flat surface is called face. The edge, you can see a line segment. Yes, that is edge, and vertex is a corner. What is a cuboid? Cuboids are made from 6 rectangles which are placed and joined with each other at a right angle. Here are the examples of some cuboid. Yes, you can say book, compass box, etc. What is a cube? If a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are same is called a cube. Yes, a cube has how many faces? A cube and a cuboid both have same number of faces, that is 6. And how many edges do cube and cuboid have? Both have 12 edges and same number of vertices, that is 8. These are the examples of cube. Sphere. Yes, what is a sphere? A perfectly round three-dimensional shape like a ball. It has only one curved face, or else you can say a sphere is a set of all points in a 3D space which are at equal distance from a fixed point, and that fixed point is called center of the sphere. Yes, sphere has no vertex and no edge. It has only one curved surface. It doesn't have face, flat face it doesn't have. It have one curved surface. Examples of sphere: football, planet, orange, etc. Cone. Now cone is a three-dimensional shape made up of circular base and a curved surface above. Yes, a curved surface. Yes, a cone has only one curved circular edge and one corner, that is one vertex, as you can say at the top. Some examples of cone: ice cream cone or joker's hat, etc. Now let us learn about cylinder. Cylinder is made up of two circular flat faces above and below and one curved surface in between. Yes, it has two flat circular face and two curved edges it has. Not edge, it has two curved edges. Edges it has 0. But how many curved edges? 2 curved edges. And how many vertices? 0. Because as there are no corners in this shape. Some examples of cylinder: water bottles, gas cylinder, etc. Now, as we view 3D shape from different positions, it appears different. Yes, let us see. This is a pyramid. See its front view, its top view and its side view. Yes, they are all different. See the figure given. Yes, in isometric dot page, its front view. From front it is appearing like this. From top it is different, and from side. Another example for that. Now we'll learn about prism. What are prisms? Yes. Now prisms are also solid shapes which have two same bases made up of same polygons. Made up of same polygons. It has two same bases made up of same polygon and all the flat sides. How we will name a prism? We will name the prism on basis of its bases. Yes. As you see, this is a triangular prism because its base is triangle. Top and base is triangle. This is pentagonal prism because it is having pentagon as a polygonal base and top. Similarly, this is a rectangular prism. Yes, rectangular prism is also called cuboid. Pyramids. Now pyramids have one face with at least 3 edges and the faces meeting these edges are all triangles and it has one vertex at the top. Yes, again pyramids are named on the basis of their base, polygon which they are having at the base. First example, you can see the pyramid is having a square base, so it is called a square pyramid. Second one is triangular based, so it is called triangular pyramid. And third one is having hexagonal base, so it is called hexagonal pyramid. Now we'll learn about triangular pyramid. Now triangular pyramid is also named on the basis of its faces having. Yes, triangular pyramid is also named on the basis of the faces it is having. It has 4 faces, that means 4 triangle, 1 at the base and 3 parallel. Yes, laterally it has 3 triangles and 1 at the base. So total it has 4 faces. 4 means tetra and hedron means face. So it is also known as tetrahedron. It has how many edges? It has 6 edges. 3 on the top and 3 in the base. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And it has total 4 vertices. 1 on the top and 3 in the base. So total 4 vertices. What is the difference between prism and pyramids? Yes, prisms have 2 identical bases, whereas pyramid has only one base. Prisms are named by the shape of the bases, that is pentagonal prism, and also pyramid are also named on the basis of their base. And in pyramids, lateral faces meet at one point, whereas in prism, lateral faces are parallel to each other. Yes. Square pyramid. So let us learn about square pyramid. Square pyramid is having square as its base and the triangle as the lateral faces. Yes, it has 5 faces and it has 8 edges, 4 above and 4 below. It has 5 corners or 5 vertices. Triangular prism. Here triangular prism has triangle as its identical polygon base and rectangle on the lateral surfaces. Yes, and it has 5 faces. 2 are the top and base, that is triangle, and the other 3 are rectangle polygons. It has how many edges? It has 9 edges. 3 on the top, 3 on the below, and the 3 edges made by the rectangular polygons. So total 9. And how many vertices does a triangular prism have? It has 6 vertices, 3 on the top and 3 in the base. Rectangular prism. As we have learned about rectangular prism earlier also. So rectangular prism is also called cuboid. And cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now let us solve one of the example. Yes, as you can see, observe the cuboid given here and answer the following. Now first question is, what is the base of the cuboid? Yes, we are supposed to name the base of the cuboid, that means the face at the bottom. So the base of the cuboid is A, D, C, B, A. Yes, the base of the cuboid is A, D, C, B, A, or else you can say A, D, C, B. Name the pairs of opposite faces. Yes, so first opposite faces top and bottom. So top faces E, H, G, F, and the bottom face is A, D, C, B. Next one is front and back one. So front one is E, F, B, A, and the back side one is H, G, C, D. Now the lateral ones, lateral faces, opposite ones. So on the left hand side is E, H, D, A, and on the right hand side is F, G, C, B. Yes. Name the face with vertex H. So can you see the vertex H here? So three faces are there which is having vertex as H. One is H, D, C, G, or E, H, G, F, and E, H, D, A. And name the faces which have FG as side. So FG is on face FGCB. Okay, thank you.